Hi and welcome to the Price Doctor Components video. In this video we're just going to drill down in a bit more detail about how the components work and how to make the most of them. So within each component you have this little arrow here. Okay, so this opens out an additional menu which gives you a bit more functionality. So when you're adding custom components you would need to select the category of labour, materials or plant. Only for adding custom ones. If it's a system generated one, they will come in automatically for you. So if we take a look up here, perhaps the electrical stuff, electrician's day rate, you can see it is predefined as labour force, and equally the materials are defined as materials already. Okay, doing these definitions will make this piece at the bottom work for the breakdown of materials, labour and plant. So the other thing we have with our components is we have this little green menu here. So in the previous version of Price Doctor there were quite a lot of buttons. So what we've done is to give you more space, make it more app friendly. We've compressed all these buttons into a menu. So you've got save this item, change log and delete component. Delete component obviously will pull it off the page if you don't need it. Change log will let you just review the history of that component. So if the price has been changed by somebody and it wasn't you, for example, you can see who changed it, what they changed it from, what they changed it to, and when they changed it. The other option, which is very useful, is save this item. So what that will do is if you've got a custom item which isn't in our database of prices, you can save it and that will then be available for use next time. So let's take a look at just creating something. Custom material. Okay, let's say our custom material cost us £700. Done. What you would do is to then save that item, you'd simply go into the menu, click save this item, and then next time you want to pull the same item out, it will be suggested for you. There you go. So custom item, custom material, and you can click on it and it will then pull it in, and that will work across all of your projects. The final piece is the markups and profits. So again, these are based on your components. So you can click update price once you've changed them, and that will then push your numbers in. It's quite important, this update price piece. So if you make changes to rates here, and don't click update price, it won't push it into the task price here. And if you were to just save the project, it'll give you a warning and say your numbers are outlined. That's just so if you're messing about with the numbers, you can see what the price was, so if you need to get back to what it was, it's not lost. And that's essentially how our components work. And so they're a very powerful way to get you to a price without necessarily using a calculator.